How to copy and share a Twitch profile link. Let's get started. First up, launch your Twitch app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now over here you're gonna find the option of Stream Manager. Below that, you'll find the option of Edit Stream Info. Click on that. Different options will appear such as title, notification, category and many more. Scroll all the way down. At the very bottom you'll see the option of Share Link to Channel. Click on the option of Share. You will get the option of different social media platform. Navigate to the option of Notes. With that you're gonna find the link. So here is the link. Now I can share it to anybody by copying it. So this is how you can easily copy and share Twitch profile link. Using this link, people will be able to get access to your Twitch profile. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.